Hello, beautiful beings. My name is Natasja, and I am a multi-dimensional voice channeler, an energy and sound healer, and a light activator. Now, what does that mean? I'm using the healing touch of my hands, which were activated in 1988, and I will elaborate on this in a different setting. I'm channeling high universal vocal tones from the angelic realm. They come through me, channeling the love and the healing energies from the universe, from the angelics. And I've been doing this for over 20 years. And more recently, my higher self has been nudging me to add crystal singing bowls, because they said there are light beings who wish to sing and dance and harmonize through me and with me for you. And I've done it, and oh boy, so much magic is occurring. I can't tell you. All the my guides from different ancestry and cultures, they're singing and dancing through us, and it is so much magic. So what happens when you're attending an energy and sound healing circle, or when you're working with me one-on-one? In the beginning, we're setting a very clear intent, so you can put focus on a specific physical, emotional, or psychological issue. You can, in one-on-one sessions, we discuss it quickly in the beginning. Sometimes I'm already channeling a brief verbal message for you for clarification, which is always very insightful. And then you just let it go. And in the groups, you just speak it quietly and then let it go. And then throughout the event, in the beginning, the high tones come through to just really open up all your chakras, and then tones come to clear any blockages, to dissipate and transmute stuck energies. So your immunity will raise, will strengthen, and the tones will go into the cells and restructure them and renew them. Yes, and then I usually walk around in the room with one bowl. I keep singing and toning, and then intuitively I lay one of my hands on a particular body part. It's oftentimes the heart, or it's the feet for grounding, or it's just a slight touch on the third eye. It depends. Or if there's some balancing, different joints are being balanced out. And then with the songs and the tones, at some point when all the clearing has happened, the focus will be on light activation. So from the heart center upwards, you will be lifted, elevated into a higher frequency. Yeah, so you're moving away from fear-based living into love-based living. And a lot of people are already living there, so that's fine. But those few who are still a little stuck in fear and worry, and it's very easy to get, to drop back into these lower frequencies nowadays. We're moving through the Great Awakening, so we all need a little bit of help to live our life again in peace and joy and more balance. Yeah, so that's what will happen there. And now I would like to give you just a little bit of a taste, so close your eyes. Now open your eyes, and now just one clearing tone so you can watch my hands also. Ooh. song, little taste. All right, beautiful beings. I wish you a beautiful day, and I'm really looking forward to create some magic with you and to celebrate life. And in the meantime, have a beautiful day and much love. Mwah.